The all-new 2026 Audi Q3 marks a significant step forward for Audi's compact luxury SUV, combining fresh design, enhanced performance, advanced technology, and comprehensive ownership support into a package aimed squarely at modern drivers. Positioned as one of the most accessible entry points into Audi's SUV lineup, the latest Q3 brings meaningful upgrades that elevate its appeal for buyers seeking premium quality in a practical, everyday vehicle. With a starting price of $43,700, the 2026 Q3 reinforces Audi's commitment to offering luxury, innovation, and versatility at a competitive price point within the compact SUV segment. Visually, the 2026 Audi Q3 introduces a bold evolution of Audi's design language while staying true to the brand's instantly recognizable styling cues. The exterior is defined by a prominent single-frame grille that dominates the front fascia, giving the Q3 a confident and athletic stance. Integrated LED headlights enhance both aesthetics and visibility, while dynamic shoulder lines add a sense of motion even when the vehicle is stationary. Standard S-line bumpers further sharpen the Q3's appearance, lending it a sportier edge that aligns with Audi's performance-oriented image. The overall design successfully balances sophistication with youthful energy, ensuring the Q3 appeals to a broad audience ranging from first-time luxury buyers to long-time Audi loyalists. From a performance standpoint, the all-new 2026 Q3 stands out in its class. Power comes from a turbocharged engine delivering best-in-class output figures, with 255 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. This level of performance allows the Q3 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds, a figure that places it among the quickest vehicles in the compact luxury SUV category. Such responsiveness makes the Q3 well-suited for both city driving and highway cruising, offering confident acceleration when merging or overtaking while maintaining refined behavior during daily commutes. Standard quattro all-wheel drive is a key highlight of the 2026 Audi Q3 and a feature that sets it apart from many competitors that offer all-wheel drive only as an option. Audi's quattro system continuously distributes power to all four wheels, enhancing traction, stability, and overall driving confidence. This is particularly valuable in regions that experience adverse weather conditions, such as rain or snow, and also contributes to improved handling on winding roads. The inclusion of quattro as standard equipment underscores Audi's focus on safety and performance, even at the entry level of its SUV range. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Audi Q3 delivers a premium environment that reflects Audi's reputation for quality and attention to detail. The interior layout is modern and driver-focused, with a strong emphasis on digital technology and intuitive controls. A standard 12.8-inch MMI touch display serves as the centerpiece of the dashboard, providing access to navigation, media, vehicle settings, and connectivity features. The large screen enhances usability and ensures that key information is easily accessible, reducing distractions while driving. An available head-up display further elevates the driving experience by projecting important information directly into the driver's line of sight. This feature allows drivers to keep their eyes on the road while staying informed about speed, navigation directions, and other essential data. Audi emphasizes responsible use of technology, reminding drivers to remain attentive at all times, but the head-up display represents a meaningful step towards safer and more intuitive interaction between driver and vehicle. Practicality remains a core strength of the Q3, making it well-suited for everyday use. The rear seats feature a versatile 40/20/40 split-folding design, allowing them to slide, recline, or fold to accommodate a variety of passenger and cargo needs. This flexibility ensures that the Q3 can adapt easily to changing situations, whether carrying passengers, transporting longer items, or maximizing cargo space for weekend trips. The thoughtful interior packaging demonstrates Audi's understanding of how compact SUVs are used in real-world scenarios. Comfort is another area where the 2026 Audi Q3 excels. The cabin is designed to provide a relaxed and supportive environment for both short drives and longer journeys. High-quality materials, precise fit and finish, and well-contoured seating contribute to an upscale feel that rivals more expensive vehicles. Noise insulation and ride quality are tuned to reduce fatigue, making the Q3 a strong choice for commuters and frequent travelers alike. Technology integration extends beyond infotainment and displays, enhancing the overall ownership experience. Audi systems are designed to work seamlessly with modern digital lifestyles, offering connectivity solutions that keep drivers linked to their devices without compromising safety. These features ensure that the Q3 remains relevant in an era where technology plays an increasingly central role in vehicle purchasing decisions. Ownership support is a major component of the 2026 Audi Q3's value proposition. Audi backs the vehicle with a new vehicle limited warranty that lasts 4 years or 50,000 miles, whichever comes first. This coverage provides reassurance to buyers and reflects Audi's confidence in the quality and reliability of its engineering. In addition, Audi Signature Care is included with the purchase of model year 2026 vehicles, covering scheduled maintenance for 3 years or 30,000 miles. This program simplifies vehicle ownership by reducing maintenance-related concerns and costs during the initial years of ownership. The Q3's position within Audi's broader lineup makes it an important gateway model for the brand. Sitting below larger SUVs like the Q5, the Q3 offers a more compact footprint that is easier to maneuver in urban environments while still delivering the elevated seating position and versatility that SUV buyers value. Compared to sedans and hatchbacks, the Q3 provides additional practicality without sacrificing driving enjoyment, making it an appealing option for a wide range of customers. In a competitive segment that includes rivals such as the BMW X1 and other compact luxury SUVs, the 2026 Audi Q3 distinguishes itself through a combination of standard all-wheel drive, strong performance, and advanced technology. Its balance of sportiness and refinement reflects Audi's broader design and engineering philosophy, ensuring that the Q3 feels like a true member of the Audi family rather than a compromised entry-level offering. Ultimately, the all-new 2026 Audi Q3 represents a comprehensive update that strengthens its position in the compact luxury SUV market. By combining best-in-class performance figures, standard quattro all-wheel drive, a technologically advanced interior, and generous warranty and maintenance coverage, Audi has created a vehicle that meets the demands of modern drivers without losing sight of the brand's premium identity. With its blend of style, capability, and everyday usability, the 2026 Q3 is poised to remain a popular choice for buyers seeking a compact SUV that delivers both luxury and substance.